I was very surprised we made it there in time to even take that quest.
I have this potion, but I can't use it. Well, here we go.
Oh, we can fight that.
800?
That's not that bad. That's doable.
Should heal up
His
Trevor, though.
tentacles hopefully
Or,
won't get
wait,
too.
I'm Trevor.
Yeah, you're Trevor. I need to heal my guy, but I'll be okay for a turn. I have high evasion, so hopefully I dodge a couple. He's definitely killable, and we have the ink if we really need it, right?
Yeah, do have that.
Our ship shouldn't break anytime too, because I just repaired it. Okay, no, that hurt. I did a lot more than I was hoping.
We can keep trying.
Yeah, we're not going to use the ink unless we have to.
That's fine.
What sucks is I can't heal. Oh no, I
Okay.
can't heal myself because I wasn't hit by it. Okay.
Trevor's gonna die.
He has his. We have a we have a sanctum, so he's still gonna be okay. You wouldn't have been able to heal anyway because you were dazed, so it's fine that you died. You got 55 XP.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can throw a bomb at him. You have a poison bomb.
I got it. I got to heal, bro.
Oh yeah, true.
It's gonna keep hitting him with this. Like target him there, yeah. Keep applying status effects to him. Oh, he's confused. Hopefully that confusion actually helps us. I have a feeling his gaze is going to fucking hurt because last time he was hitting 21 at level 3. Uh-oh. No! Not my boy! I'll get you down. I'll get you down. It's kind of weird that he's not in the middle this time. It just feels off. Oh my god, Claudia's dead. Unhand him, heathen.
What?
Huh?
You just moved.
Move? The fuck? I am so confused at what I just watched. Don't forget you have hermit grass to use.
Oh yeah.
Bruh. It didn't even hit him when I targeted him. Nice. Definitely heal. Who has the thing again? I completely forgot what you said.
My character, that Tyler.
Okay. You should move your guy up so we don't all get hit by everything. You can't.
Yeah, I had to heal him.
I'll have to do it on my other character next time. Barry can't because he has to reload.
Yeah. Couldn't target him. God.
That's big. That's big. Oh, you know they changed the animation from last time?
Thing?
Yeah, it's in the patch notes that the grabbing animation was changed. Or it was like made better. Like I think it was just slightly changed. Maybe it was made smoother or something. Oh, they have column attacks. Or he has column attacks. Barry, you're taking the risk, buddy. You gotta reload the gun.
Think we can kill him?
He's half. It's possible. That did not do as much as I thought it would. Good. Moving up. What was he hit by? Was that frost? What is that? Can you see what I hit him with?
Yeah, frost.
Okay, nice. That's good. I wonder if maybe you're actually supposed to kill his tentacles first, but they're so tanky that it's like not even worth it.
Game,
You should probably move one.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't. You don't have a secondary. That sucks. If you have to revive him at some point,
He didn't even attack any
don't put
of
us in
us.
columns. He's hitting the boat. That's why I wanted the big armored ship. Okay, he's taking a lot of damage just as possible. Just depends on if these tentacles kill me or not.
God.
Yeah, that was close. This is gonna hurt. I don't think it kills. Okay, this is going a lot better this time. Barry, you're taking the risk, buddy. We need extra damage. He's still frosted, right?
It'll.
Hello, game. I can't fucking look because I have to reload first.
Yeah, he is.
He only took 20. Oh, it was my damage reduced somehow? Why'd he only take 28 that time? Oh, wow. That did way more than it did the first time. I'm gonna revive you. I'm gonna put you here. Your damage is important, so a lot more damage than I do.
Well, he has MR, but yeah.
Still, I only hit for like 30. And that's if I hit a perfect.
Oh my god, why can't?
It's so hard to target him. Yeah, they need to fix the targeting on him. I want to know how many people have killed him. I guarantee you get an achievement. Oh, big block, big block.
Not hitting any of us. Oh, yeah, ship again.
He tried to hit Barry there the first time. Big dodges. Alright, this is winnable. That's gonna hurt. Ow.
You have a dancing nettle. You could have popped that, healed,
No,
and then.
I need to. I could have healed, but it doesn't matter. I don't have a sanctum. So I'd rather just try to kill him quick. Oh no. Okay, good thing he's targeting.
So he
Trevor.
has to
Trevor's
hit it
like the
perfect.
only one that can tank to do that much damage.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a fun time making a video about this guy.
Oh my god, I can't target him.
Just you want to click down below his eyeball on those spaces. That's what I've come to notice. It's always in the spaces where I have to click. I never click anywhere above his name. Okay. He's almost dead. He had 800 to start.
Clicking on the spaces right now. I'm trying to use focus, but I guess I didn't need it.
He's gonna die, Tyler. He's gonna die.
Oh, please don't kill me here. Okay. Blast him. Can't
Reloading
believe
that
Barry
bitch.
is still alive.
That's the boy. No! Fuck! Don't kill, please. Oh no. Okay, thank God.
Manageable, manageable.
That is huge. That's huge.
Trevor, it's up to you.
Trevor can kill.
I
Oh,
think it's
baby.
because the Tark Blast, the hitbox is weird, so it's giving me
No,
trouble.
it's terrible for me to
Sushi
click it
Master.
too. Kill the Kraken. That's 0.5% of players have that.
Nice. You gotta take a screenshot of that achievement.
Oh, trust me, I'm putting that in the video.
Want to heal up. You don't really have a ton.
Screenshot was taken. Who needs a town, dude? You think I'm a loser? I'm not even gonna heal. I got balls, man. Ideally, we just get this pouch down.
Yeah.
Ah, you know.
You only lost one life, a sanctum, and Claudia.